friends. Now we continue our topic, that is Excel interface, and in the last session we discussed about the customized quick access toolbar. Today we will discuss about the another interface area. So let's continue. This is title bar, and here you can see book 1 and Excel. It means it shows the file name and it shows the program name. So if you open file and select blank document, then this shows book 4. Then we again go to file, then again click on blank file, blank workbook, then book 5. So Excel automatically gives you a name of files like book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4, book 5, and so on. So it represents the name of the file. Let's see a saved file which I already opened in my Excel. So this is a already saved file, and you can see the name over here, all Excel formats. It means if you save any file with a specific name, title bar shows the name of the file which you are accessing in your Excel program. So that is the work of the title bar. And this is another option that is called ribbon switcher or ribbon display option. Here three commands available. One option is auto hide ribbon. When you click in this option, it completely hide the ribbons, hide the tabs, hide the customized quick access toolbar, title bar, everything. It only shows you the working area. It means actual seat. And again, you look like that. So click on this, and last option, show tabs and commands. Click on it. So it gives you the complete entire interface. And if you click on show tabs, it only shows the tabs. It hide the complete or entire ribbon. When you click on the formula or any tab, it shows. Even when you click outside the area, it hides the ribbon. And if you want to normalize your interface, so just click on show tabs and commands. And if you double click on it, any menu, hide the ribbon. Double click on any menu, show the ribbon. Any menu, like I go to the home and double click on home tab, so it hide the ribbon, and double click again, show the. So you can switch directly from this option, and you can also access or show hide the ribbon by double clicking on any tab or menu option like file, insert. These are the basic options. I hope you will understand. Thank you very much. Happy learning.